Hey, it's Kate with WTI and welcome to the future. So this is the Echo Show 15. It's the latest addition to our Amazon device lineup. We like to buy them all as they come out, and this has been our favorite yet. It is incredible. So it's basically a family command center. So you can have all of these different widgets on your home screen. We like to have the sticky note, we have a shopping list, a to-do list, the weather. One of our absolute favorite features is the shopping list. So as we're running low on an item, we can say, Alexa, add milk to my shopping list.
I put milk on your shopping list.
Now, my husband takes this list with him, it's on his phone, and as he picks up the item, he can mark them off. He knows exactly what we need at home. I love this. This rotates with different suggestions. So sometimes it's art, as you see here, sometimes it's fun facts, suggestions for music to listen to, all kinds of different things to keep you entertained if that's what you're looking for. Now, by just swiping down, you have all your options here. So here is the widget gallery. These are all the different widgets you can have. So you can really customize this device to have the best experience for you. There's recipes, podcasts, music, all sorts of things. Another thing I really like is that if you don't want this to be displaying with all of your information all the time, you can go to photo frame. So this will turn your whole device into a picture. So you can choose the theme you'd like. It'll cycle through, or you can choose to keep it on this particular one. If I wanted to pause it here, then I could just have this display. Of course, it has all of the other features you can expect from an Echo device. You can do voice calls on here. You can listen to music. You can ask her questions, all of those good things. But it just really steps it up a notch to have this beautiful frame hanging on your wall. So if you're looking to organize your family, you want to have something really pretty to look at, and you just want to be right on top of the new technology, I cannot recommend the latest Echo Show 15 enough. I think it's amazing, and that's my point of view.